Now, in addition to violating the majority criterion, we're also in violation of one more criterion, the head-to-head criterion. How do I know that? Well, let me remind you what the head-to-head criterion. Head-to-head, also the other word for it is Condorcet. Condorcet or head-to-head, let me show you in the notes. Condorcet, which is also called head-to-head. Condorcet or head-to-head. What does it mean? If there's a candidate or alternative that wins one-to-one comparison, wins all its one-to-ones, then he should win. Whereas majority says if anybody wins a majority, they should win. So these fairness criteria are always about when you should win. If you have majority, you should win. If you win all your head-to-heads, your Condorcet, you should win. Well, how do I know somebody wins all their one-to-ones, head-to-heads, one-on-ones? Well, I know because of the fact that D here has a majority. That means D has more than half. If D has more than half of the first place votes, then D's going to beat anybody one-on-one, right? He has more than half of the first place votes. So D's going to win all one-to-ones. So D, wins all head-to-head, or another word for head-to-head is one-to-one. How do I know? Because he has a majority. He has more than half. D has a majority. So if anybody has more than half, well, they're going to beat anybody one-to-one. And so that means D should win because he wins all the head-to-heads, but he actually did not win by board account. B won. And D should win because he has a majority, but in fact, he did not win, but B won by board account. So both those are violated. Both majority and head-to-head are violated in this example by the board account method, which we did at the end, because board account gave the victory to B, when in reality, D had a majority and D would win all the head-to-head. So D should have won by majority and by the fact that he won all head-to-heads. But in reality, B got more points by the board account method. So that makes us think board account's kind of an unfair method. It gave the victory to B, when in reality, D had more than half of the first place votes. Majority, criterion says he should win. Head-to-head criterion says he won all head-to-heads as well. So he should win for that reason. So those are the two criteria that are violated. And there we go.